the point-slope form of the equation of a line. So our objective here, we want to simply write the point-slope form of the equation of a line. Now the equation of a line can be written in a variety of forms. Point-slope is one of those, and we're going to look at that one here. So what do we know coming in? Well, we know what slope is. Slope is the measure of a line's steepness, and it is calculated as m, which stands for slope, equals the change in y over the change in x. And as we know, shorthand for that is m equals delta y over delta x, which means change in y over change in x. So here is the point-slope form of the equation of a line. It is y minus y1, which is the point's y-coordinate, is equal to the slope times x minus x1, which is the point's x-coordinate. Okay, again, m is the slope of the line, and x1 comma y1 is any point on the line. In other words, any point the line passes through. If you know the slope and any point, you can pop them right into here, and you have an equation of the line, and it is called the point-slope form. Let's do an example. Take a look. Let me make sure I can see that formula. Okay, write an equation in point-slope form for the line with slope 4 that passes through the point -1, -3. Okay, so here's my slope. That's my m. Here's my point that we've chosen. This is the x1, whoops, and the y1. Okay, and so now let's look at our formula and substitute these values in where necessary. So the point-slope form says y minus y1 is equal to the slope times the quantity, x minus x1. Okay, so it's y minus, use parentheses, particularly when I am substituting in a negative, so I don't lose negatives. Y minus y1 is -3. Again, people lose negatives, and that's why I use parentheses, so I don't lose negatives. Times the slope. I know what the slope is. I don't know why I'm writing m again. The slope is 4 times x minus, my x1 coordinate is negative, so I'll use parentheses again like that. So there we have it. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Let's clean it up and we'll be all done. This is y plus 3 is equal to 4 times x plus 1. And there you have it, right there. And I abbreviate point slope with a P-S. This is the point slope form of the equation, which I abbreviate EQN, of the line. It's the point slope form of the equation of the line that has a slope of 4 and passes through that point.